So if you want to use GCash to buy USDT in Bybit, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Bybit app like this, so you tap on the search at the top and search for P2P. After you search for P2P, now open the first one. So now here is your P2P interface. So the first thing to do, now you tap on this option now, USDT. So now you want to buy USDT, right? So now you select USDT in this option. So the next thing to do, you tap on this option now and specify the amount of the USDT you want to buy. But before you tap on the amount, go back. So you have to tap on this all bank or all payment method. Under the all payment method, now if you're living in India or any country that the GCash is available, so you tap on this search and search for GCash. So if you search for GCash, so the GCash will appear for you in this option. Just select the GCash. Let's say I'll try let's say this one, like this one. So the country that I'm currently in, I have this payment method which says OPay. So if you just search for the GCash, it will appear like this OPay. So just select the GCash like this. After you select it like this, so now you tap on this cancel button. So from there, so the next thing to do, you tap on this amount and then you specify the amount in the GCash. So let's say you want to spend like 200, any amount out from the GCash, let's say 2,000 or 20,000. After you confirm the amount, you tap on this confirm button. So from there, tap on this all payment method again and make sure now you choose the GCash. If you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the GCash if the GCash is available in your country. So select it like this. Let's say I'll do this one and confirm. So from there, so the people that will give, as you can see now, so from this option now, all the advertisers that want to sell their USDT, they must have the GCash. As you can see now, all these advertisers, they will be with GCash payment method. So the next thing to do, you just search for the advertiser you want to use, and then before you tap on this buy, you need to check on the time and you need to check on the price that currently the people are selling on the Bybit. So price for the USDT is currently, here is the price. After you select the price and the price is okay for you, and make sure you choose this payment method and make sure the person has GCash. So the next thing to do, just choose the person you want to buy from him. Let's say I want to use this one. After you select the person, so you'll be paying this amount in GCash and you will be getting crypto instead of the amount. So after you pay this amount, let's say I'll just type in the amount. So here is I'll pay in 20,000 and here is the payment method. So the next thing, if you tap on this buy button, so from there, Bybit will give you his account number or his account details. After you go to your GCash and transfer the money into his GCash account, after you come back, you tap on this payment. There is a button which says payment sent. After you tap on the payment sent, so from there they will ask you to upload a transaction history. That's a screenshot of the transaction. That's slip. After you upload the transaction slip from your phone to the Bybit app, so from there, Bybit will notify the person that he should check his account. You send him the money. After he confirm the money, and from there, the person will give you amount of the USDT you bought by giving him local currency of GCash to his GCash account. So if you go back to your Bybit, if you want to check the USDT you got, just go to this asset. After you go to the asset and then you go to funding, so under the funding, you'll be able to see the USDT that you bought from that person. And that's it, guys, on how to buy USDT in Bybit using GCash. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.